So the new update to the Steam Valve's code. I don't know why I said Steam Valve code. The Valve's code has the Steam machine or the Steam frame. It's not clear. As 1,000 euros. So right here, this is the currency, which is euros. It says 1,000 or 1,000 separators. So yeah, this is causing a lot of chaos because now people are like, wait, is the Steam machine going to be $1,000? We thought that the rumor was last week it was going to be $600. Now, keep in mind when it comes to this kind of stuff, it's like we get the little bit of leak information and then everyone has their opinion on why this confirms this, that, or a third, right? But at the end of the day, nobody knows, okay? This is just... something's going to cost $1,000. Maybe the Steam frame will cost $1,000. Maybe the Steam machine 2 terabyte will cost $1,000, which actually is not bad at all if they include the controller. If they include the $100 controller, right, for the Steam machine, plus it's a 2 terabyte version, which we already know right now, let's be honest. Anything storage-wise is going through the roof. It's stupidly expensive. It's still over the price tag it probably should be, given the fact that the Steam machine isn't supposed to be like the latest and greatest. I think a lot of people really still don't understand. The Steam machine is not supposed to be like this is a 5090 with a 9950 X3D. Like, the point of a Steam machine is it's supposed to run Steam OS. It can run most of your games, if not all your games, at a decent frame rate and look good. And you can connect to a TV, and it's like a console experience, but for Steam. It's really what it is. It's not supposed to be something you put on your TV and you're benchmarking, the craziest and latest AAA titles at the highest FPS. It's not really what it's supposed to be. But anyway, beside the rant aside, again, we don't know what 1,000 euros is. Like, is it going to be... Some people actually are speculating maybe it's the base Steam machine, right? Plus the Steam frame, plus a controller for 1,000, which, again, would also be an insane price tag for those three things together. Not saying insane is in a good thing, insane, not a bad thing. Meaning like that would be a really good price for all three of those things together. Because I'm assuming that the Steam frame itself will probably cost around $500-$600. The Steam machine right now is rumored to be around $700. And then you add in a $100 controller, and now you're really... now you're talking about an actual deal there. I mean, you're pretty much getting all three for $200 less than it would be if you buy them separately. Again, we don't know, though. At the end of the day, that's what this comes down to. So, there's going to be people who are going crazy saying, oh, well, this is a proof it's $1,000. No, this is not proof it's $1,000. This is proof that something is going to be coming out that's cost $1,000 related to the Steam machine or the Steam frame. Again, I'm going to go with the idea that this is the 2 terabyte version that comes with an extra controller. So, in the end, the Steam machine, by the way, in general, I believe, comes with one controller by itself. But this would be a separate controller, second controller. You would get packaged with the Steam frame, Steam machine. That's in the 2 terabyte version. That's what I think is going to cost $1,000. So the base version is going to cost, it's 512 gigabyte version, and that's going to cost $600-$700. And then the 2 terabyte version plus a controller will most likely cost $1,000. And then most likely the base version with a controller will cost somewhere around $800. Which at that point, I didn't think about it. At that point, you're just better off just getting the $1,000, right? Okay, maybe I'm incorrect on that one. Maybe it's just like the base 2 terabyte version is going to cost $1,000. Because now that I think about it, this is actually kind of like, because you got to think that if they add in a controller, then that's $900. You're pretty much buying a 2 terabyte version for $900 plus the controller, right? Versus buying the base model that's $600-$700 and it's 512 GB model, which at that point you might as well just buy the 2 TB. I don't know. Maybe. So I'm gonna assume again that it's gonna be 512 GB model is $600-700. The 2 TB model is gonna be $1,000, which would put it at what $400 markup from the 512 GB model, which somewhat tracks, even though with storage prices being as crazy as they are. It's not like a ridiculous markup for the amount of terabyte storage you get upgrade wise, but okay. And if they do add in the controller, it would be even better, because then again, you would be getting pretty much a Steam machine. The prices would be $600-700 for 512 GB model and $900 with the controller added to make it $1,000. So I don't know. We'll see. At the end of the day, don't panic, don't freak out, don't go crazy. There's nothing confirming anything. All you're confirming is something's going to cost $1,000. Is that going to be a 2 TB version with a controller, or a pack with a Steam frame? Who knows, right? But we're getting little bits of information. As we get more bits of information, I'll cover it. But I try my best to always keep a level head with this kind of stuff, because, again, I've covered thousands upon thousands of leaks on this channel, whether it's the Steam machine, whether it's the Nintendo Switch, whether it's the, bunch of foldable phones we covered on this channel over the years. There's always this really crazy, oh my, I can't believe this is happening, this is crazy, this is awful, doom and gloom. People get upset, people throw tomatoes because they think that it's something 100%, when reality-wise, these are all leaks. And until anything official comes out, nothing is official. And here's the cool thing. Even when leaks are technically correct and coming from correct sources and 100%, there, the company can always just change it. The company can always just change their mind the last minute and change prices. It's not like this is the first time we've seen a company go, oh, wow, you know what? This got leaked. The public said they don't like it. They're upset about it. They're not happy. We want to change that because we want to actually sell units of this device, and the public says they're upset about the price tag or this, that, or the third. Well, it doesn't make sense for us to, go ahead and go with that said price tag or that said item, given the fact that the public is not going to be happy and they're not going to buy it, right? They want their product to sell. They want the consumers to sell, and they know if they release a base Steam machine for $1,000, you're probably not selling as many copies. Let alone it becomes a niche product at that point. But who knows? We'll see what happens. Peace out.